How to transfer playlist from Spotify to eSound. Hi everybody, if you're wanting to transfer your playlist, you can follow up the steps. So for that, once you're on Spotify, you can head over to your playlist first and locate up the playlist. For example, let's say this playlist right here. So once you have located up the playlist, what you need to do is you need to head over to Soundees. So you can head over to a browser and type in Soundees, and go over to the website soundees.com. After that, you need to select up a destination, for example, Spotify, and you can start for free for that. And here, go ahead and connect your Spotify. So sign in with your Spotify here into this website. And you need to agree that Soundees will be able to view your Spotify account data, your activity on Spotify, and take actions in Spotify on your behalf. Go ahead and agree the terms and conditions. After that is done, you can just go ahead and select up the playlist that you wanted earlier to convert to transfer to eSound. So just go ahead and do that and tap on this transfer option, and once that is done, you can select YouTube Music and transfer it. So go on with the process of verification by giving access to your YouTube account with which you want to sign in. And after that, go ahead and agree the terms and conditions. Continue with the process, and once everything is done, it will be transferred. So that is how you basically transfer playlists from Spotify to eSound, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.